Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up your own online store just like this one as quick as possible with multiple pages. I also have the link to Strikingly in the description of this video. Check it out and let's begin. So if you set up your account with Strikingly and you log in, you will see your dashboard right over here. To start creating a new site, you have to click on create new site right from the dashboard, and then it will take us to the pre-made website library, and we just have to select one. Now I'm gonna go for online stores, and I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so as soon as you select the template and start editing, you will be taken to the home page, and this is where you edit your interface. So I think this looks good. I'm just gonna add a few words right here. And then I'm gonna change the orientation of my products. So I'm gonna add a new section and select this one instead. Just gonna let this one go. Now once we have that set up, it doesn't have any products, so these are just for demos. So I'm gonna add a product. Now to add a product, once you click on your product section, you click on it and it will take you to add new product. So you click on add a new product, select whether it's physical, service. Since we're doing physical product, I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna have a product name, I have a description, I'm gonna select an image. I already have uploaded it here, so I'm gonna go to the uploaded images and select this one. Price is gonna be 109.07. Now you can add more detail about the product. Obviously, the more detailed you have your products on the website, the more it benefits you in Google ranking. I think we're done, and I'm gonna hit save now. And I'll add a couple of more products now. Same way. So to add more products, you will click on add product and go through the process again, just like the previous one. So now I've added a total of 3 products. As you can see, it says disabled because we're on the free plan and it only let us sell just one product as live product. The other 2 will appear on the website, but they will be appearing as out of stock. So if you want to sell more products, you have to subscribe to the premium plan. After adding the products, if you want to have multiple categories for the product, you can do it right here. So I'm going to add sneakers. I've created 3 different categories that I will be listing on my website, and now we don't have any products, so I'm going to assign products. For that, you have to go back to your products page, select your product, scroll down, and right here you can select a product category. So I'm going to send this to sneakers, and you do the same for the remaining products. The next thing we're going to set up is the shipping. To set it up, right next to product categories, you will see the option for shipping. You click on standard shipping, and I don't want to sell the whole world. I'm just going to select United States, all the states, and set up the first item fee. If you want to set up multiple fees, like the first item should be this on the shipping fee, and then you want to add for each additional item, you want to add more, and you can set it up right here. Then we're going to set up the payments on the store. So to set it up, you go back to store settings right under store section. Once you're in there, you click on set up payments. So I'm going to use my PayPal. You can use whichever you have. Now once you have set up your payments, you just want to jump right to settings, and then you want to update your basic info. And once you have your site title, site description, you should change the social share image, and you can select any from your computers. I do recommend changing the social image and the favicon. So now once you have set up your payments, since we already did that, I want you to go to the mobile actions. Here you can add a button for certain actions. So I'm going to add a button for my store section and save it, so it will show on the mobile version of the website. Once that has been done, I want to change my website from one page to multiple pages. So you just go to the multiple pages part of the left hand side panel. You can click on multiple pages, so it is already converted to multiple pages. I'm gonna go with that. Now you want to revert to a single page, you can do that by clicking on this button. Now to check if the website is converted to multi-page, we just click on back to site design, and here you will see the section to switch between pages. Now I want to make sure that everything is set up correctly, so my home page is okay. And now my shop page shows up all three of my products, and the about us page, I'm gonna make some changes to the about us page so it looks more personalized. To change the images, you simply bring your mouse over to it and click on the image and then click on replace. So I will be selecting one of the images I already had in here, so I'm gonna go with this one and then do the same for the rest of them. So I've updated the images and added a little bit more detail under about us, and we have contact form already set up. I just updated the address, the contact details. Now let's give the final touch to the website. I'll add the logo that I have created, and we're gonna add a title and hit publish. Now to publish the website, as soon as you click on publish, if you're going with the free plan, you should use publish as a free site, and if you want to add your custom domain, then I suggest you go to upgrade to pro and unlock more features, but we're gonna go as a free site. So in this, you can add or update your website URL to a custom URL name, so I'm gonna do that. And if you want to do the custom domain, obviously you can go from here and you can set up your own domain. Hit publish now. And we have our website live. You can view the website by clicking on this link. And we have our online shoe store ready to sell. Add to cart. Gonna visit the cart, hit the checkout, and it's ready to make the transaction. That's it, guys. We have our online store published and fully functional. Now, if you want to set up a store with more than 3 or 5 products and you're having trouble, let me know in the comments and I will try everything to help you with that. And if you need my help to set up a new store, reach out to me in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, I have the link in the description if you're having trouble finding the link to the platform, which is strikingly, just go through the description and you will find it there. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one.